Why do some people say the Earth is flat? A question that might sound absurd to many, yet it still persists in some corners of our society. This question, perplexing as it may seem, is more than just an oddity. It's a testament to the power of belief, the allure of conspiracy, and the persistent quest for truth, however unconventional it may be. In an age where scientific advancements have catapulted us into the realms of the cosmos, the idea of a flat Earth can seem like a step back into the shadows of the past. Yet, there's a certain intrigue to it, a curiosity that beckons us to explore further. Why, despite the mountains of evidence to the contrary, do some people remain steadfast in their belief that the Earth is flat? To understand this, we first need to dive into the history of this theory. This journey will take us through centuries of thought, challenging our preconceptions and expanding our understanding of belief and skepticism. The idea of a flat Earth is not a new one. In fact, it's been around for centuries. Long before the advent of modern technology and space exploration, our ancestors sought to make sense of the world around them. Their observations of the world, limited by the technology and knowledge of their time, led many ancient cultures to believe in a flat Earth. Let's take a step back in time to ancient Mesopotamia, considered one of the cradles of civilization. Here, the belief in a flat Earth was prevalent. They envisioned the Earth as a flat disk floating in the ocean, an idea that was also shared by early civilizations in Egypt and India. Moving forward to ancient Greece, we find one of the first recorded proponents of a spherical Earth, philosopher Pythagoras. Yet, even with this, the concept of a flat Earth persisted in various cultures and societies. Fast forward a few centuries to medieval Europe. While it's a common myth that people during the Middle Ages universally believed the Earth to be flat, historical evidence suggests that educated people knew of the Earth's round shape. However, the idea of a flat Earth was still widespread among the general populace. In the 19th century, the flat Earth theory saw a resurgence with the formation of the Flat Earth Society in England. Despite the overwhelming scientific evidence supporting a spherical Earth, the Society's founder, Samuel Rowbotham, championed the idea of a flat Earth based on literal interpretations of certain biblical passages. In the 20th century, the Society continued to garner followers, even as human beings ventured into space and saw the Earth's round shape with their own eyes. Notable members included inventor and aviator Samuel Shenton, and more recently, musician Thomas Dolby. Despite the scientific advancements, these historical beliefs have influenced a minority in the modern era. The belief in a flat Earth, while largely dismissed by the scientific community, continues to persist, demonstrating the enduring power of historical perspectives. Fast forward to the 21st century and you'll find people who still champion the idea of a flat Earth. These modern proponents, despite the wealth of scientific evidence to the contrary, firmly cling to their belief in a pancake-shaped planet. But why is that? Well, it's a complex fusion of various factors. For some, it's a profound mistrust in the establishment, a skepticism towards what they perceive as official narratives. Others find solace in the simplicity of a flat Earth model, a refuge from the intimidating vastness of an infinite expanding universe. Yet another group sees it as a form of intellectual rebellion, a defiant stand against the mainstream. They argue that they're merely questioning the status quo, challenging the universally accepted truths. Conspiracy theories involving governments and space agencies also fuel this belief, adding an element of intrigue and secrecy. These believers stand firm, often citing government conspiracies or mistrust in science as their rationale. Science, on the other hand, has unequivocally proven that the Earth is spherical. It's not just a hunch or a theory, but a conclusion drawn from numerous reliable and verifiable sources of evidence. First up, we have observations from space. Astronauts and satellites have provided us with clear images of our planet from the outside. These images show Earth as a round object, not flat. Next, there's the phenomenon of lunar eclipses. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth casts a round shadow on the moon, indicating its spherical shape. This would not be the case if our planet was flat. Lastly, we have the science of physics. The way objects fall due to gravity, the way ships disappear over the horizon, and the way we experience different time zones all point to a round Earth. These pieces of evidence are collected using scientific methods, making them reliable and trustworthy. The overwhelming scientific consensus supports a spherical Earth, yet the debate continues. To wrap up, let's revisit the key points we've discussed. We've journeyed through history, exploring the origins of the flat Earth theory and its modern proponents. Despite this enduring belief, we've delved into the compelling scientific evidence that refutes it, from the curvature of the horizon to the behavior of gravity. While the flat Earth theory continues to intrigue some, science provides a solid answer. Our Earth is not flat, but a beautiful sphere spinning in the vast expanse of space.